I've just finished printing my half rim sunglass design, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to get these prepped and ready to go. So the first thing we're going to do is pick this up and just very gently, we're going to work the hinge until it breaks loose. Alright, that side's good. We'll do the same thing on this side. So see, now they'll fold down if you need them to. So the next thing is, we've got built-in support on the top here. So we'll just kind of work that loose. So this is designed for 1/10 of a millimeter layer height, so it leaves a gap automatically. So those just come off quite easily. The one thing with these is you do sometimes get a little bit of residual left over here on the corners, right where they start. So I'm going to just take an X-Acto knife and just give this a quick clean up. There we go, that's all it needed. Okay, so the first time I shot this, the lens installation was out of frame, so I'm going to try it again. What I do is I put it in here and into the channel there, and then just press it up this way. I'm going to try to use a cloth so I don't get fingerprints all over it, but you can obviously just wipe it down afterwards. So, channel there, there, and then just press it in. There's one. In there, and there, and then just press it in like that. And there you have it. Just like that. And there's a second pair I've done.